baby. Hi. Yeah, Oliver has the hiccups. Yes, he does, and he doesn't like them. No, but he's still being really good. Such a good baby. Yeah. Oliver is 100 days old today. Yeah, that's a big number, buddy. 100 days. Yeah. You weigh 6 pounds, 4 ounces. You're about 18 inches long. Yeah. Still on high flow oxygen, but the pressure is down to 1.5 liters. That's amazing. 38%. Yeah. Yeah. You're getting 59 milliliters of milk at a time. That's almost 2 ounces. That's a lot of milk. Yeah, it is. That's a lot of milk. Hi, baby. Yeah. What do you think? Said, Mama, I think I don't like the hiccups. Yeah, I think I don't like the hiccups. Yeah. Hi, sweet pea. Say hi. Oh, close up on the chins. There's so many of them. Yeah, Mama likes seeing that. Yeah, and look at those cheeks. The chubby little cheeks. Yeah. Hi, buddy. Yeah, hi. Say, Mama, put down the camera and help me out here. Say, I got the hiccups and I don't like them. Yeah. Hey, buddy. Okay. Mama, put down the camera and help ya. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah. Are you gonna talk? You gonna talk to us? Say hi. Yeah. Hi. Okay.